Hi, I'm Steve Hoskins of Hoskins, Turco, Lloyd Lloyd, and I'm the supervising partner of the personal injury department of our law firm. I've represented injured auto victims for almost 30 years, and one of the things that I've found in my years of experience is that most of the time none of my clients understood what type of auto coverage they had until after they were involved in an auto accident. So we've put together an informational brochure to help people better understand their auto coverage, because at Hoskins, Turco, Lloyd Lloyd, we feel that an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Did you know that in the state of Florida that as many as 1 in 3 drivers are either uninsured or have very low policy limits? Did you know that you can purchase something called uninsured motorist coverage, so that if you are injured by one of these uninsured motorists, you can make a claim for damages under your own auto policy? And did you know that you can get uninsured motorist coverage for only a few cents a day? Most people did not know this information until after they were involved in a motor vehicle accident. We've put together an informational brochure that I would urge you to pick up. It's called "So You Think You Have Full Coverage," because so many people I've talked to tell me when I ask them, I have full coverage, only to find out that they did not have the type of coverage that they needed under their auto insurance policy. So I would encourage you to pick up one of our informational brochures on insurance coverage and read over it and make sure that you have the coverage that you need under your auto policy to fully protect you and your family from the catastrophic consequences of being hit by somebody that's an uninsured motorist. If you have been involved in an auto accident, I'm going to give you several important reasons why you should consider hiring our firm to represent you. The first reason is experience. I'm a board-certified civil trial lawyer, and I've been continually board-certified for 20 years. I've been a member of the Florida Bar since 1980, and I live and work exclusively in the local area. That's the Treasure Coast and Lake Okeechobee areas. I've been handling personal injury cases since the early 1980s. I've tried a number of cases to verdict in the local court system, and I have a very experienced staff that works with me. I have a paralegal investigator that has 30 years experience in the personal injury business. I have a paralegal, 2 paralegals that have over 20 years of experience, and I have a staff that just has a wealth of experience and knowledge working with me in personal injury cases. Location is another important consideration. We have convenient offices located around the Treasure Coast and Lake Okeechobee areas. We have offices in Ft.Pierce, Port St. Lucie, Okeechobee, and Vero Beach. These are staffed offices. We aren't attorneys that come to this area from the outside to try to represent people. We're already here working with fully staffed offices on the Treasure Coast. And the last reason is result. We have been doing this for nearly 30 years. We've represented thousands of people locally, and we've achieved great results for our clients. So you don't need to retain an attorney outside the local area, because we're already here with the knowledge and experience to handle your personal injury case. So if you've been in an accident, please call us, because the initial consultation is always free, and there are no attorney's fees or costs unless we make a recovery for you. Thank you. Did you know that 1 in 4 drivers in Florida are uninsured? If you're in an accident with an uninsured driver, you can still make a claim under your own auto policy if you have uninsured motorist coverage. I'm Steve Hoskins of Hoskins, Turco, Lloyd Lloyd, and if you're in an accident, call us today for a free consultation. We'll be glad to meet with you and review all the insurance policies to find out what rights and remedies are available to you. We have offices in Ft.Pierce, Port St. Lucie, and Okeechobee.